Satnam, over to you. Satnam has become very weak. Satnam was very healthy boy here in India, but now very weak.
No, sir. It's good right now
Yes.
because now, like on that time, nobody will see me. But in this time, like everybody told me, like you are looking good.
Great. Looking so cute.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Firstly, I would like to pay thanks to respected sir who had given a chance to speak here in front of you guys. So my name is Satnam. So I am a student of
Try to
Springdale
speak
Public
little
School,
louder. Try
Jagadari.
to speak little louder. Try to speak little louder.
Okay, sir. Okay, I will try. Firstly, I would like to pay thanks to respected sir who had gave a golden chance to come here in front of you guys to speak about myself. So I am Satnam. Everybody everybody like little bit guys know me.
Some
So
of the friends are
the
knowing to you. Maybe Abhishek
yeah,
is known to you already.
I think Ria know me. I
Hmm.
remember her, and I think Ishpreet also. Like on that time, I'm present on the institute. Yeah, like little bit members know me. So I will give a huge thanks to the sir because due to sir I am here today, sitting in Canada and live my life like dream life. It's my dream life, but I'm living in Canada. Because on that time when I came, so like when I came earlier to you, so I'm very weak. So you told me don't worry about that. Like I can help you to improve your English level, and I am also like scared from girls. So
Hmm.
in first day, sir told me you can sit with that girl. So I thought how no, it is not possible for me. But now I'm extrovert, so I don't scare of any girl. I can talk very easily with everyone.
Great.
Due to sir, I can also win like many competitions in the school, like Expanto. I can also win, also make a discipline perfecter on in my school, and also do a lot of enjoyment, like a lot of funny activities. And due to I can also win so like one medals, like gold medal, and I can show to
I
you. Like
remember.
you
I
have
remember.
picture with me. I see on the like YouTube you posted on YouTube. I think so.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yeah,
Rhythm is
you
making you
posted.
laugh again and again, I think.
Oh, sir, I know, because he's my room partner. I know.
I agree. I agree.
Yeah, because we are living together. So, so like when boys are
Definitely.
living together, so we don't know. It's happens. So.
Great. So, did you
It
make
was Kulwinder from my
like,
phone.
huh?
Yes, sir.
It
Yes.
was Kulwinder from my phone.
Okay, 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 okay.
So when I joined this institute, like many boys told me one sentence, अंग्रेज का बच्चा क्या जाने अंग्रेजी जाने. I'm like in school when I told I'm going to Mishra English Guru for learning the English. So on that time, I told them, don't worry about that. Like we are not अंग्रेज बच्चा, but we know English a little bit. When I win the competition, so then he said my face. Oh, what happened? Oh, what happened? How it can be possible? Then I told I can. So when I came in Canada, so like sir ਇੱਥੇ ਪਹਿਲੀ ਗੱਲ ਤੇ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਨੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਮਤਲਬ
Yes.
ਕੋਈ ਵੈਸੇ ਤੇ ਪੰਜਾਬੀਆਂ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਬਦਨਾਮ ਹੈ ਕਿਤੇ ਗੁਜਰਾਤੀ ਵੱਧ ਨੇ.
Gujarati, yes, yes, I know.
I agree.
You agree, buddy? ਗੁਜਰਾਤੀ ਸਰ ਬਿਕੋਜ਼ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਹਰ ਇੱਕ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਕਬਜ਼ਾ ਕੀਤਾ ਆ ਮਤਲਬ ਹਰ ਇੱਕ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ
Okay,
ਜਿੱਥੇ ਵੱਡੀ ਫੀਲਡ ਅੰਦਰ ਚਲੇ ਜਾਓ. ਹਾਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਸਿਰਫ ਬਿਜ਼ਨਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਅੱਗੇ ਨੇ ਸਰ ਲਾਈਕ ਪੈਸਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਅੰਦਾ ਪੈਸਾ ਸਰ
okay.
ਕੰਸਟਰਕਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਮਾਮਲੇ 'ਚ.
Hmm.
ਸੋ ਜਦੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਇੱਧਰ ਆਇਆ ਸੀ, ਉਹ ਸੌਰੀ ਸਰ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦਾ
If we are speaking
ਮੈਂ
Punjabi, then
Uh,
it is also accepted, no problem.
I want to add
Punjabi.
one line in this. सतनाम जैसे कि भाई बता रही अंधा पैसा है वहां पे पंजाबियों के पास. अपने इंडिया में अंधा पैसा सर के पास है अब.
Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. आपने तो ब्रह्मांड को बहुत जबरदस्त मैसेज दे दिया आज की इंटरनेशनल अलुमनाई मीट के अंदर.
आई होप सो. या
We
सर आई
missed
होप
that
सो.
it may be. मतलब ब्रह्मांड को जबरदस्त मैसेज दे दिया सतना में, तो अच्छा हो गया ना. अभिषेक
यस
ने
यस
अच्छा
यस सर.
लेकिन सीए है, कल वो ये रेट भी डलवा सकता है फिर हमारे ऊपर ना।
No, no, sir, no, no.
मैं आपका
Don't
टैक्स ही
worry.
बचवाऊंगा सर, रेट
हाँ,
वगैरह नहीं
tax-
बचवाऊंगा।
No, no,
you will
sir,
save the
sir.
taxes. You will save the
Sir.
taxes.
सर के सारे अकाउंट अभिषेक सर ही संभाल रहे हैं।
No, no, sir, he tell you how to save the taxes. How you save your money. So, like when I came in Canada, so I will meet one boy in my class. So he told me like, I told about the work. He told me you can wait approximately 8 hours. There is no work in Canada. I told okay, that's fine. So I told don't worry about that. Like if I came here, so I can find out because sir told one line, awake today if you want to sleep tomorrow. That is very beautiful line. So I started the finding the work. Then I find the work in the container, like unload and upload the trailers only. So after that, I will find the work in the cleaning company. He told me can you become a manager of my company? I told okay, that's fine. But I will work 2 months as a manager of cleaning company, and I also helped many people. But one girl told me that person that person do not like give you money properly. So अब पंजाबी सर एक कहावत है सेव का काम खतरे वाला ही है टाइम से ही निकलो फिर
Okay.
ਤੇ ਸਰ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਫਿਰ ਮੈਂ ਆਈ ਲੀਵ ਦੈਟ ਵਰਕ ਸੇ ਹੁਣ ਮੈਂ ਸਰਕਲ ਕੇ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਦਾ ਹਾਂ ਮਤਲਬ ਐਜ਼ ਅ ਸੇਲਸ ਐਸੋਸੀਏਟ ਲਾਈਕ ਟਿਲਟ ਚ ਉਹ ਵਧੀਆ ਹੈ ਸਰ
Great.
ਤੇ ਉਹ ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਸਰ ਕੰਮ ਮੈਂ ਹੀ ਲਵਾਇਆ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕੰਮ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਭਣਾ
Ah, great, great, great. That is the power of my student. That is the power of my student. And you
Bro, you
told
missed 5
me,
guys.
and
yes
you,
yes I know
yes, and you told me that you are providing jobs to many students in Canada. यानी
Yes,
ये
sir,
सबसे
yes.
बड़ी एक मिसाल है कि जहां पर दुनिया पूरी बोल रही है कि कनाडा में काम नहीं, वहां पर मेरा स्टूडेंट जो अब तक उस दिन आप बता रहे थे कि यू हैव प्रोवाइडेड जॉब्स टू मैनी स्टूडेंट्स, तो जिसको लोग बोलते थे कि काम नहीं है कनाडा में, जो पूरी दुनिया बोल रही है कि कनाडा में काम नहीं है, उसको हमारे स्टूडेंट्स आगे जॉब लगवा रहे हैं. तो इसलिए मैं रुद्राक्ष को आपके पास ही भेज रहा हूँ आफ्टर +2. ओके, एंड इवन ही
sir,
इज आल्सो हैप्पी टू बी विद यू ऑलवेज. ही
yes
ऑलवेज
sir I know
रोल मॉडल.
I know that
What is he doing currently, sir?
He
is
is
in like ninth
no, right now he's in 10th. Right now he's in 10th.
10th
Okay.
But
So
after 6
we'll
months,
see him here after 3
2
years,
years
right?
no
after
2
3
years
years.
Probably 3 minimum 3 years, right?
yeah
Yes,
minimum 2 years
by the time your roots will be more.
Yes, sir.
change sir totally change
Then
Totally, yes, and
we all will be
definitely,
Yeah.
and you will be PR
at
also,
that
and
time.
Rudraksh will enjoy more facilities from your side.
yes sir yes
Yes, sir.
I
Full
hope.
support, sir.
full support
Thank you,
sir
thank you, thank you,
don't
thank
worry
you.
about that
Currently he is
Because
asking
now-
for bullet from his father. He want to fit that cracker sound and the silencer.
no
Ah,
sir
yes.
like if he ask about the bullets so you can provide them because in Canada Rudraksh missed the bullet
Okay,
we
in
can also
Canada,
miss that
Rudraksh
one
will definitely miss the bullet. There is no doubt.
yeah because there is no bullet
ओके, नाइस टॉकिंग टू यू सतनाम. बहुत मजा
Thank you,
आया,
sir.
बहुत
Thank you.
काफी टाइम बाद हमने बात की, एंड आई एम श्योर कि जब भी जीडी कंपटीशन होना तो सतनाम इज ऑलवेज नंबर 1. सतनाम एंड कुलविंदर एक साइड बिठा दो, बाकी इंस्टीट्यूट के 100 स्टूडेंट्स एक साइड बिठा दो, सतनाम एंड कुलविंदर विल डेफिनेटली विन, राइट?
Yes,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Kulwinder also just got free from his dinner, sir. I think he's
ओके ओके, ओवर टू यू कुलविंदर. कुलविंदर,
Thank you sir thank you
थैंक यू. ओके कुलविंदर